Hey, what's up, YouTube? My name is Joey here, and I got a new camera I'm going to hook up to my 3D printer. We have an Ender 3, and we also have an Ender 3 Max Neo. And we bought this Beagle camera by Mintion, and we're going to open her up and see what it's all about. Alright, so here's the packaging. Looks like it comes with a USB cable to hook to the printer. They call it a Beagle camera because it actually looks like a beagle, which is kind of cool if you like beagles. Looks like it has a up to 1080p camera resolution. And supports 2.4 gigahertz for the Wi-Fi. Let's get into this bad boy. Comes with a couple stickers you can throw on your machine if you'd like. Quick little reference guide. Here's the camera. Also comes with a memory card. I believe it's a 32 gig. Yep, 32 gig memory card. What else we got in this box here? Plug to plug in is for your charging. And this is, I believe, the hook to the computer. Also comes with one of your little keys, so you can go in there and reset the camera if you need to. And your power block. Alright, so all you gotta do is actually load your file onto the memory card using whatever slicer you like to use. We just have the Creality slicer. It's just like typically loading your files on. You pull up whatever file you want. We got a little articulating lizard here. Slice it, save the removable. Oop, it's there. Go ahead and eject. Memory card goes back into the Beagle. Next thing we'll do is go ahead and hook it up over to the printer, and then we'll show you all that. Alright, so I was actually wrong. This is actually the power cable here. So go ahead and open her up. Plugs in right here on the side. See that? Got your block. Plug that in. And this black cable here actually goes to the printer. And that plugs in the back here.
Camera is ready for Wi-Fi connection.
And then plugs right into the front of your printer. With the Ender 3 Max Neo, it's actually down by where the memory card goes. I'll edit and show you that. So you're going to want to make sure you download the app, Beagle app, and that's how you're going to control the camera and be able to print your files out and all that sort of stuff, and download your time lapses, videotape, all that stuff. See all your printing being done remotely, everything like that. All right, so I have the app downloaded now. Beagle. This is one of our other Beagles we already have set up. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit the Add Camera. You're going to do Scan QR Configuration. This is where you're going to push the little metal button to go ahead and reset the camera so it can scan. So like I said, this comes with the system. You're going to go ahead and push the button, hold for 3 seconds, and you should hear it talking.
camera.
Pretty quick. Click yes, I heard the voice. Click next. Next you should be saying camera is ready for Wi-Fi configuration.
Camera is ready for Wi-Fi connection.
Go ahead and click yes, I heard the voice. Next. Go ahead and pick your Wi-Fi and router. It's going to go ahead and generate a code. You're going to put that in front of the camera. You hear a prompt sound, which we just heard. Going to go ahead and hit next. Now we wait. It says up to 90 seconds to connect to the Wi-Fi. They say a lot of the issues if you have a problem connected to the Wi-Fi is if you have your wrong password in, or if your phone's not on the same exact Wi-Fi network as you're trying to connect the camera to. It's going to take up to 90 seconds.
Successfully connected to the Wi-Fi.
There we go. So we're connected. Now we got our second camera and locked in. Then you're going to go ahead and just click on the actual camera itself. It'll pop up. We updated the printer part number. Please select the correct part number. Okay. So we have the Creality, Ender 3, Ender 3 Pro. No, that's not what we have. We have the, this is the Ender 3 Max Neo. So we're going to click the right one. The Ender 3 Pro is our other camera we have going on over there. That's going to go ahead and put in your size of your build plate. Once you have that, you can go ahead and save the camera. What's nice is it actually will show you all your sizes and everything here, the temperature of your bed and your nozzle. You can change your X, Y, Z axis, everything here. Change your offset if you'd like, all that sort of thing. And then your time lapses will show up here. You may have to update your firmware. Depending on when they made the camera, and the printer may have something new that's going to connect, so we go ahead and do that.
The camera is upgrading. Please wait about 3 minutes. The camera will be restarted automatically. Successfully connected to the Wi-Fi.
All right, so we're definitely connected to the Wi-Fi now. Now we can click on the camera. All of it, everything's updated at this point. So we're good to go. It's got the new firmware on there. And now we should be able to, as soon as we put the memory card in there, the file pops up. When you're ready to print, go ahead and hit the print button. You'll see the printer will start going. Now we can go ahead and monitor everything that's doing right here on the camera, which is kind of cool. It's got the layers you can see where it shows you layer by layer what's getting done, and also the time, which is pretty cool. Now once it's done, you're gonna go ahead and click on here, and your time-lapse video will pop up here. If you want to set an actual video, you can do that as well. We like the time-lapse here, and we'll show you some examples of what the time-lapse looks like compared to what just a regular camera videotaping it looks like. On the left you can see the Beagle camera, and on the right we have an iPhone 14 doing a time-lapse. You can see how much smoother the Beagle is. You don't get the head movement and all that craziness. The pros and cons of this camera, we'll start with the pros. The pros are it's very easy to set up, much easier than something like an Octoprint, and it's also very user-friendly. If you just literally follow the steps, you can't really get too lost. Very ease of use, and the time lapses turn out great. The cons are, I wish there was a way to put 2 or more cameras so you can get different camera angles on the same print. Also, it's a little hard to put the memory card in. It's in a very weird spot. But other than that, we love the camera, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.